Are you looking for ways to make some quick and easy money online? Well, look no further because I have some simple tricks for you to get paid $50 through PayPal in no time. First, sign up for online survey websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie to earn cash by sharing your opinions. Next, consider becoming a freelance writer and offer your writing services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You could also try your hand at transcription work by joining websites like TranscribeMe or Rev. If you have a skill for creating stunning graphics, explore websites like 99 Designs or DesignCrowd to earn money through freelance design projects. Another option is to become an affiliate marketer and promote products or services to earn commissions. Don't forget about the power of social media. Create engaging content and build a strong following, then monetize through sponsored posts or partnerships. Additionally, consider selling your unused items on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace to make quick cash. If you're crafty, start an online store on platforms like Etsy to sell handmade products. You can also try your hand at online tutoring by joining platforms like VIPKid or Tutor.com. Finally, take advantage of cashback websites like Rakuten or Honey to earn money while shopping online. So, whether you're looking for a little extra pocket money or a consistent source of income, these simple methods can help you earn $50 through PayPal fast. Subscribe now for more ways to make money online. Also leave a comment to get a chance to win free money every month.